Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at PowerSmart's 40-volt cordless string trimmer. Let's go ahead and unbox and show you guys what you get. 18-inch cordless trimmer with a 40-volt battery, 2-in-1 trimmer and edger. It easily converts from a trimmer to an edger in seconds, adjustable handle, precise working, and professional quality cutting. It has 2 speeds with the 40-volt battery. It can run anywhere from 35 minutes to 50 minutes on a single charge. It has auto feed spool, so it automatically feeds the line as you need it. The L-shaped blade can be rotated 180 degrees to change the cutting width from 12 inch to 13 inches. So this is their 40-volt system. It comes with the charger, comes with the battery indicator level right there. Their 40-volt batteries can work on all of their, or at least most of their 40-volt systems. So 40-volt mower, 40-volt power tools, which is pretty nice. So if you have multiple PowerSmart 40-volt tools and equipment, you can interchange the batteries. So this is it. We're going to go ahead and assemble it. Alright, so if you press the button in here, you can adjust this, and this is how you can angle your edger. Now we did ours a little differently, so don't follow me on how I did my handle. I made mine loose 360 degrees. That way I can hold it and I can rotate it completely around based off of my needs, and that's just something I personally wanted to do, and I do with all my trimmers. So this way I can have flexibility for different areas, but make sure you follow your manual if you want to do it 100% to the T. So for putting this on, you're gonna see there's a little spot for a screw. Go ahead and so take this screw out, line this up, place this inside, and then put the screw back. So the screw's gonna be underneath here, and you'll end up with something just like this. Now again, you can push the yellow button in to adjust the position, and this will allow you to adjust the front head, this whole section. This front metal piece, just simply open it up the little legs here and then place one in the one side, one in the other side. Yeah, that just takes a second to do. Alright guys, time to do our weed eating test. See how well it performs. I would say that performed very well. So it did a good job. By the way, I did that with one hand, so pretty awesome. Yeah, I like it. It does a good job, and I have no complaints. To feed it, so if the line goes down, gets down too far, you can press this button here, press this button, and then pull with one hand. So you would hold it like this with one hand, And then press that button in and just keep pressing it. So press, let go, and it will feed the string out further, which is pretty awesome.